The Enlightenment period. During the Enlightenment, ideas of individual rights and freedoms were spreading. People were beginning to believe that human reasoning brought authority and that people had the ability to make their own decisions. The Enlightenment started the early roots of democracy as well as science. The Renaissance. This was also another time of glory for human reason and individual value within society. Humanism, the belief in human potential, and individualism, the value of one individual over a group, were the two major ideas born from the Renaissance. Laissez-faire capitalism. This directly translated to leave the people alone and meant exactly that. People during this period did not want government intervention and believed that they could achieve the best quality of life when they had sovereignty over their own affairs. The Industrial Revolution. This brought on a huge change to the economy as it invoked farmers to move to cities for jobs, and machinery was used instead of tools. More professions were offered in this time period, which led to a change in the class system. More jobs allowed people to acquire wealth. The growth of a merchant class was made possible by a free market economy. Overall, I believe that classical liberalism brought on a positive change in quality of life for the average citizen because, as opposed to the previous feudal system, people had the ability to work up in status and wealth. Rather than being condemned to a life of exploitation, vulnerability, and heavy taxes, they could benefit from all the work they do. Thanks to capitalism and a free market economy, they had at least a chance to gain from their labor. Classical liberalism was a change that gave citizens economic hope, whereas mercantilism subjected them to a life of poverty and slavery. Perhaps to the small population that held high power in the feudal system, such as the royal family, clergymen, and nobles, their loss of control and power may have lowered their quality of life. But for the larger majority of people, classical liberalism was a revolution they had long sought for.